cool.
Hello guys, welcome back to another
make
video where today I'm going to be showing you how to make a volcano.
First you need
Baking soda.
Baking soda.
and
Let's turn on the flashlight. And then what is it?
vinegar.
Vinegar.
White vinegar.
White vinegar.
So
So first, you open the vinegar and dump it in.
I don't know how much I need though.
What?
I don't know. We don't have enough, so I don't know. Maybe it's sort of from there.
And then you dump that stuff in. Whoa, it's already exploding.
It's reacting.
I don't know if that was supposed to happen.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, it tastes gross. I don't know how it got in my mouth. Whoa, it's exploding! I don't know how, but it got in my mouth.
Wow, it exploded. It's the smell of it.
It got in my mouth somehow. Okay, we're putting some stuff in.
I don't know if it'll work with this vinegar.
Oh, different kind of vinegar.
It smells so yummy.
It smells so. Well,
I don't know
that's
if it'll
the
work.
inside.
Oh,
What the heck?
yeah, it doesn't work with red vinegar. You gotta have white vinegar.
Oh man, we just messed
Ooh,
it
that's
up.
stinky smell.
No,
Let me smell. Let me smell.
Oh, no, it actually smells good.
It's vinegar.
Can I smell it again? It actually smells really
That's
good.
what some pickle juice vinegar. Don't pour it all
Let's
out.
turn off the
That was the rest of what we had. What'd you do that for?
guys. That actually tasted. I mean, not tasted. That actually smelled really good. And then we're dumping it out now.
Gross.
That's it. That's how you make a volcano.
Well, yep. That's the end. That's how you make a volcano. But please like, subscribe, share the video, and until next time, goodbye.